Just testing 4K 60 Hz with the GoPro Hero 7. So I'm just gonna walk around seeing what I can do with this is the low light situation, so I can check whether that's good or not. So this is my projection in the ceiling, so that will be quite light. It should be 60 Hz, so I'm moving quite quickly around, but taking into account too many other moving issues. So just go through the living room here. I can check how that goes. Just quickly look at the ceiling, light turning around, checking everything is really weird. Looking at up my nose, shouldn't be that bad. So looking out, just going quickly out. Now going outside, looking at down to the living room. So down to the battery part here again. I charged